installing Rocket League. This is ridiculous. This has been like running for like what, 2 minutes now, and it's almost installed. Well, what are we at? 30%, and that's pulling from 4 or 5 Wi-Fi spreaders, because I don't have a hardline cable running all the way from the house, which is, runs from the actual optical cable from the street all the way down here. It's running via these bad boys. So the Netgear Aerobis. So that's stretching out over 100 feet. So, but yeah, that's impressive. That's impressive that's the CPU in this bad boy is just absolutely pulling the maximum potential out of the network. Just like properly hardballing it. But yeah, no, it's a real giggle. But yeah, so 37. See, it's just it'll be done in half an hour, if that, and that's not an amazingly large game, but considering it's broadcasting it over that distance wirelessly, I'm pretty impressed. Technology nowadays never ceases to amaze me, to be honest with you. We've got the IQ here as well, which gives you all your information of the... where is it? Is it IQ? Was it IQ? Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, sensors. So this gives you all the information on the dashboard. Here we go. Right. So yeah. Look at all those cores. These are all cores. So I know your cousin was after AMD for like the multiple core and all that threading and stuff like that. Yes, they are good for that. They are very good for that. If you want to do like super multimedia PCs, use like the Threadrippers and all that sort of stuff. Silly expensive, but they are purpose designed. It's like a Ferrari. You know you're going to get exactly what you want. Intel obviously wanted to try and buff them up as well, so they have. I mean, Intel originally, I think on your one, if we had the same software on yours, you'd only have about 6 of these. These are all the other cores. All running different things. So you got performance cores, you've got cores that just deal with the general RGB and all that sort of stuff in the background. But yeah, I mean, it tripled the amount of cores compared to what they used to have, because they wanted to keep up with AMD, and they have surpassed them because they've undercut them with price, and they are still absolutely the bee's knees when it comes to gaming as well. I mean, this i7, he's not going to, he's not going to flatten it out. And the best thing is with Intel, because they perfected. I mean, you have with AMD the other. I mean, I can do AMD builds all day long, but you generally have a lot more issues with BIOS updates, software issues. You have to have certain software on the motherboard before you. It's not as plug and play as Intel is. And say if something goes wrong with it, I could talk him through a repair on his Intel. Rather with an AMD, it's if you screw up a BIOS update, you completely brick a board, and it's game over. You've wrecked a £400 board. Whereas with Intel, it's a lot more user friendly. It's user friendly. It's almost idiot proof. I mean, I can still F it up, but yeah. Yeah, but look at all those cores. Oh, look at all the sexy cores. And they're all running around about, what are we running at? 50, 40... Yeah, I mean, we're not running silly heat either. I mean, it's all different colours. It's showing you, 50, 50. But, I mean, it's doing stuff at the moment. It's downloading, it's multi-coring. But it's, yeah, really, really quite a pretty computer. I put Windows 11 on there for him because, Windows 10 is now soon to be up, out of date. But that comes free, obviously. That's just with same with yours, Aldo. When we install yours, and we install all the software on it, that you get a new Windows key and all that jazz and all the pretty stuff. But yeah, now looking forward to working with you Sunday. Looking forward to that. Get lunch. Just work in the kitchen because my workshop is way too tight. I mean, you've been in here before. It's gotten worse. It's gotten more cluttered. But I'll have all my tools ready, and to be honest with you, I reckon 2-3 hours we should have your PC done. You know, and that's just going through it slowly, and that you can enjoy it as well. Obviously, you know, if there's any things you need to know about and all that sort of stuff, we can go through it. But yeah, this is doing what? So what we got now? We have Epic Games. Oh, yep, 61%, dude. 61%. It's jumped. Obviously this is my Epic game, so I've got whatchamacallit, I've got Fortnite as well. That's the other one. My other friends and all that sort of stuff, they play Fortnite. I've tried playing it and I don't understand it. It's like having a bleeding gaming seizure. I can't understand it. They're running around building crap and like whatever happened just to shooting people in the back of the head and sniping people, you know? They had to ruin it with all that weird, and that's where all that the memes came from with flossing and all that crap. I didn't realise that came from Fortnite. Obviously, mandatory GTA 5. Yeah, Mech Warrior. What was I going to say? Yes. What other weird memes and anything like that would he like me to put on there? I'll put Rocket League on there at the moment for him. A little Rocket League meme. And I'll show you how to work all that. It's very, very simple. I'll show it on your PC. But all you do on your desktop is you open up a, you add a new folder. So I added a new folder, called it GIFs. Then you go on to Google Chrome, type in GIF, GIF with one F, sorry, enter, and the first thing that comes up is, there you go, Gimpies. Doesn't sound quite right, does it? But the first one there, clicked on that, then you find a GIF that you want. So let's just say, a random look here. So, hold on. Right, so let's just type in Doom. Here we go. Doom. That should come up with some good GIFs. Enter. See what that comes up with. Just gonna agree to all close. GIFs. Doom. Right. Why has that not come up with anything? Stickers. Clear. We recently updated privacy policy. Right. Agree. Close. Okay. Doom. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Right. Had a brain fart there. So here we go. So we've got Doom. Got all little Doom GIFs and all that sort of stuff. So let's have a look here. So find one that we like. That looks pretty cool. It's going to be lagging slightly because obviously it's doing multiple tasks. So let's click on that. Playing up now. Okay, let's click on this. No. Right. Why are you not working? Right. It never works when you're trying to do something live, does it? Right. Okay, so let's just click that. Save link as. No, we want to save image as. So, okay, so we've got this one here. Save image as. So, save image as. And then we go to, not OneDrive, you want to go to desktop here. Windows 11 just reorganises things. You'll get used to it. GIF, here you go. So it tells you the GIFs. Open. Save. Right, let's see if it's actually... Yes, it has. So here we go. So we've got our 3 GIFs here so far. So then to change the GIF, we go into Nzxt. Automatically, so you just go to... So if it wasn't on, like when it first starts, like PC monitoring, so you just click on lighting. It comes up with LCD display, image, click on image, then upload. Oh, for some reason my Doom GIF isn't showing up. Hold on, let's try again. Son of a... It never works when you're trying to do it live, but you can see here you've got the 2 GIFs that I've already got on there. I'll get a Doom GIF, but this is basically where it will come up. Then you click on it, you click open, so you click open, and then it allows you to pick where, so you can move that over here, so where it's going to show and it shows you the image, so that obviously the highlighted circle is what you will see. And cancel all that because it's all fine as it is. But yes, so that's how you do it. And then you've got the previous images already here, so you don't have to go through all of that. You can already click on one that I've already done. So you just click on it, boom, and it automatically sees straight away. Instantaneous. But yeah, so never works when you're trying to do things live. Anyway, right, so I'll leave that for him now.